Use the tables of values to draw the following graph f and g defined by the given equation. So we have, this is letter f, y is equal to negative 2x plus 1, and g, y is equal to negative 2x. So first let's complete the table. So when x is equal to negative 1, so we plug in negative 1 into the equation. So we have y is equal to negative 2x and x is equal to negative 1. So we put that in and then plus 1. So negative 2 times a negative 1 is a positive 2 plus 1, and this is equal to 3. So we put in 3. So the next value is 0. So we have y is equal to negative 2 times 0 plus 1. So wherever there is an x, we put in the value of x that they gave us. So this is equal to negative 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. So we get 0 plus 1 is 1. So we put that in. And the next one is a 1. So we have y is equal to negative 2 times 1 plus 1. And negative 2 times 1 is a negative 2 plus 1. And negative 2 plus 1 is a negative 1. So we did that. Now let's do the g. So we have y is equal to negative 2x. So when x is equal to negative 1, so this is equal to negative 2 times a negative 1 is a positive 2. And when x is equal to 0, it's equal to 0. Because 0 times 0 is 0 times anything is 0. And when it is 1, so we plug that in. So negative 2 times a 1 is a negative 2. So now we have the values. So we plot that into our graph. So when x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 3. So let's do f first. So we have negative 1 and a 3. So negative 1 and a positive 3. So it's about right here. So that's 1 point. And then when x is 0, y is 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. So there it is, positive 1. And then when x is positive 1, y is negative 1. So this is 1 and 1. So there it is, 1 and 1. So now let's draw our line. So it goes down like this. And this line is this function or this equation. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. So now let's do the other one. So when x is negative 1, y is equal to 2. So negative 1, y is positive 2. So 1 and 2. So it's about right here. And when x is 0, y is 0. So it goes through the origin. And then when x is 1, y is negative 2. So it's about right here. So now let's draw our line. So we have our line, and this line is this equation, y is equal to negative 2x. So these two lines are parallel to each other. And this is just this line minus 2x, and this is plus 1, so it goes up 1. So these are parallel